Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be slightly different. It is going to be a bedroom organization video where I'm going to show you a bunch of my favorite skincare products that I'm currently using as well. And my bedroom is looking like a hot mess. I just woke up and brushed my teeth, put my skincare on, so I have my sunscreen, and then I just like to do my eyebrows and my lashes and my lips. That is pretty much all I do. I don't do anything else on a daily basis. Today is a work from home day. Husband has gone to office. I am currently drinking my coffee and I'm gonna start cleaning my bedroom. I'm very scared to show you how it looks right now because you guys, it doesn't look like this every day. I'm a very organized person, but the past week has been one of the most hectic weeks of my life. I've been so busy with just content and replying to emails and focusing on the new Cranberry launch and then Instagram content, and I also travel to office every day, so it just gets too much and I wasn't able to give this room the attention that it needed. And you got a little sneak peek. And yeah, it's just looking like a disaster right now. I can't believe this is the situation and I need to fix this, and I'm gonna show you how I do everything because I keep saying I'm an organized person, but you need to see how and why. Okay, so that's my balcony and this is the status of, oh my god, I can't believe this is the status of my room right now. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, so first we're going to do this room. I don't know if I'm going to do the other room in this video only because I have my closet where all of my stuff is, all my clothes, shoes, bags, jewelry, all of that is in another room. And this room, my husband and I both live in this room, so I don't keep like the bulk of my stuff here because then he will have no space for his stuff and this room will have no space for a bed because I do have a lot of stuff. So I think I'm gonna do my closet organization video separately because that is just a whole other vibe, and this is more like a bedroom vibe. So I want to show you how the bedroom looks first once it is done. So first things first, I'm gonna finish my coffee while replying to a few emails. I'm gonna sit down on my chair. Well, I have piles of clothes on the chair, but I'm gonna sit down somewhere, drink my coffee and reply to emails and then get to cleaning. Okay, I made the bed. Looks nice. Now let's get onto the side tables and to the other tables and to the pile of clothes right there. ये देखो, हमारे पास एक डॉगी भी है. ये हमारे साथ रहती है. इसको बस खेलने को चाहिए, खाने को चाहिए, प्यार चाहिए, अटेंशन चाहिए, बिस्किट चाहिए. बस और कुछ चाहिए? लैला, कैसे पड़ी हैं आप? दोपहर का टाइम है, ऐसे पड़े नहीं रहते हैं दोपहर में. काम वाम करो, चलो कुछ. Okay, so I'm organizing my bedroom vanity. I've already made a tour on this. Get to cleaning this vanity first. I'm just putting my husband's stuff. All these 3 sections are mine. Then this section belongs to my husband. So I'm going to recommend you a few products that he likes to use as well. And this is going to be great for men. He only uses just the bare minimum amount of skincare. So the first thing that he likes to use is the L'Oreal Revitalift toner. I really like it as well, and he has acne prone skin, so products with salicylic acid he really likes. Then we also have the L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Fresh Hydrating Gel Cream. I have reviewed both of these products before. They're really good, amazing for combination to oily skin, and they're available on Amazon, so I'm going to link them down below in the description box for you guys, so make sure to check it out. He also really likes the Dot & Key Skincare Sika Calming Skin Renewing Night Gel. So he'll alternate between these two. In the morning, I try to just get him to apply sunscreen. I mean, that is the bare minimum. Yeah, these are 2 moisturizers, a toner. Then for sunscreen, we have 2 options here. I really love this Minimalist one. This is SPF 50 and this is PA 4+. So this is like the most amount of UVA protection. And this one by La Shield. This one actually feels like a pore filling primer. So doesn't make you greasy, doesn't feel heavy on the skin. There's no white cast with this. So these are the 2 sunscreens. So we're gonna keep those there, and that is pretty much his little skincare section. Okay, so I changed the organizers for my husband's stuff because I want everything to be out in the open and him to be able to see all his products. So he actually ends up using them. Then getting to my section, changed the organizers up a little bit. These are all of the perfumes that I'm currently excited by and want to use. And now right here, I'm gonna put my face masks. So this one by O3 Plus, Detan Pack, and the Sulfur Cooling Mask by O3 Plus are just my favorite masks of all time. Available on Amazon. I'm gonna link these down below for you guys. Then another favorite are these Body Shop masks. The British Rose one is so good, so decadent, love it. And I also really like this one by Kiehls, the Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask. The Dot & Key Illuminating Clay Polish is also just one of my faves. It really just helps pull out gunk from the skin. And of course, I cannot do without my chemical exfoliator. This one is from Minimalist, AHA 25, PHA 5 and BHA 2%. This is an absolute essential. So these are like my at-home facial pamper recommendations from Amazon that you need to check out. So happy to see everything neatly organized. Excited to use everything now. I'm also just going to put in my deodorants. This is by Secret Temptation. I really like it, and it's aluminum free, but it does burn on the skin. Don't put it on immediately shaved underarms. It's going to burn. But otherwise, it's really good. I also really like this Nivea Naturally Good Deodorant. Bio Green Tea smells just amazing. And of course, this one does have aluminium. This is for heavy duty days. This is the whitening one, but you can also get the Pearl and Beauty one, which is also just as good. And this is a really nice deodorant on days when you know you are going to be like dancing all night, or you're going on a road trip, or you know it's just going to be a sweaty day. This is the perfect one to use. So linking these down below for you guys as well. 2 toners that I've been loving that are easily available on Amazon. This is by Plum, the Luminence Nourishing Toner, and this one by the Natural Wash Rose Water. I absolutely love both of them. You can see how much I've already used up the Plum one, and this one, the Rose Water, this is probably like my 2nd or 3rd bottle of this. Love both of them, highly recommend. So good for all skin types. The Plum one is a little better for dry skin, but the Rose Water is definitely good for all skin types. Putting in my current fave serums. This one is by Loreal, the Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid. Really love that. Then my Minimalist Niacinamide 10%. This is one of my faves. I've used many bottles of this. This is so good. And this one by O3 Plus. This is their booster serum, vitamin C, and these 3 serums I feel like I need to have in my collection at all times. They're so good, they serve me well. Hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and vitamin C. Oh, and how can I forget my retinoid 2%. This is like one of the most important serums of my routine. I cannot do without a retinol, and this one is my favorite. This is like a cream, feels really nice on the skin, never breaks me out, and Minimalist is just doing so well. I'm so impressed by their products. Which also brings me to their moisturizers. This one, the Marula Oil 5% moisturizer, is so good. It is incredibly moisturizing. I love to use this in the night after I'm done using my serums, and sometimes I'll even use the niacinamide and then retinol and then this cream, like a whole minimalist routine, and it's just one of the best. So affordable, highly recommend, love this. And I also just really like the Ceramides 0.3% and Bisabolol moisturizer. This one I will also use with the retinol sometimes because this does have ceramide, so it does help repair the skin. Both these moisturizers are amazing. They also have a Sepica moisturizer. If you have oily skin, you may want to check that out. If you have dry skin, you will love the Marula oil one. And this one, I feel like this is just a really amazing barrier repair cream. All skin types can benefit from this. Okay, so my skincare closet is looking really organized. Finally, very happy with all of the products that are in here. Excited to use everything, and yeah, linking everything down below that I talked about today. So definitely check out all the products in the description box below. Taking a little con break. It's also important to revive yourself while doing some work, and I was feeling snackish, so this is like one of my favorite snacks. And of course, some mangoes because it's the summertime. Okay, I'll just give you a little glimpse of what my closet looks like. ये देखो, हम ऐप किंग प्रो पे तकिया रखते हैं. हम एक्सरसाइज तो करते नहीं हैं. हमने ऐप किंग प्रो रखा हुआ है और उस पे पिलो रख रखा है. All our workout equipment is right here. We also like to work out here sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, because there is an empty space here, so we can just spread our yoga mats here and work out. That basket, I know it looks really bad, it looks like trash. It's not. It's an empties basket. Very important YouTubers की जिंदगी में empties basket, because if you need to save all our empties, then I have some PR, some decor items, my steamer, a little ring light. I don't keep many lights here because most of my lights are in my studio at my mom's house, but I just keep a little ring light here just in case I want to film a little something. Then under this chair, यहाँ पे सफाई हो रही थी, झाड़ू पोछा लग रहा था, तो मुझे नहीं चाहिए था कि मेरे कपड़ों पे मिट्टी उड़ के आए. Over here I have folded clothes. These are all new clothes and I need to film a haul on these clothes, तो इसीलिए मैंने इनको ढक के रख दिया है. Then these are some new items that we got for the office. My husband needed a kettle and a bunch of things. Isha Kuntalam ka fabric pada hai, which I need to put inside or, you know, get made into something. Then I have a little guitar. My husband got me a guitar for our anniversary. Love! And these are my kapdon ki almariyan right here. So I have my suitcases here because I keep my suitcases outside. I keep traveling with my stuff, and I'll just give you a basic idea. This is one almari. Dresses, tops at the bottom, more tops at the bottom, big handbags. So, and this is the other section as well. This is just the bottoms, skirts, pants, shorts and things. Then I have shoes in this one, and iska handle toot gaya. I need to get it repaired. I have more bags in this one. So this I need to organize a little bit. I'm gonna do, see, we got shoes. I'm gonna do this in another video, but yeah, here's a little tour. Then after my bag almari, I have my Karvarya almari. This is where I keep all of my Karvarya items. This also needs to be a little organized. Like the bottom section is looking organized, but this needs to be folded and put back in place. So I'm gonna do that in my next video. Okay, so closet is gonna have to wait a little bit. Okay, you guys, so it's been a while. I've had lunch. I also just sat down to reply to some emails and clean the room. Dusting कर दी है पूरे कमरे की, और झाड़ू पोछा भी हो गया है. And I just cleaned everything, just put everything back in its place. Also organized my bedside drawers, which were looking like, एक drawer होता है ना जिसमें आप बस सामान डाल देते हो, and you're like, okay, मैं दूसरे रूम तक नहीं जा रही हूँ वो रखने, तो मैं बस इसी drawer में डाल देती हूँ अभी. That is what ends up happening to my bedside drawer. So I really needed to clean that out, and it feels so good. And you remember what my room looked like in the morning, right? Let me show you what it looks like now. Okay, here is a 360 tour. Everything looks presentable and neat and clean. Also, right now there are no rugs on the floor, but we do have rugs. Right now I've just taken them out because Lela is on her period. Okay, so my handbag and my laptop are there. My Dyson Airwrap is over there. Just set up my laptop. Need to edit my videos now. And so happy that the room is clean. I can breathe. I feel so much better. Oh, you can see me in the TV. That is nice. And yeah, very excited and happy about having a clean bedroom back again. Okay, so I think that is it for this video right now. A little bit of bedroom cleaning and organizing with me, and I showed you how I like to organize my skincare closet and all of my current favorite skincare products, which are going to be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you check them out. Everything is easily available on Amazon. You know, we all love Amazon. Husband is also about to come back from work, so I'm glad he's gonna come back to a clean space. That's it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Like this video if you enjoyed, and tell me your comments down below about how you like to organize your skincare vanity. What are your favorite skincare products right now? I would absolutely love to know that. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye.